I was just asked on one of the forums what's my entry criteria, and I did respond by saying experience, luck, and indicators, and really that's what it is. This is a 1 minute chart, and I do not recommend you do what I do because it's really dangerous. Hey, it can move so quickly. But this is a 1 minute chart of crude oil. Now I normally trade a 15 minute because I just think it's a safer way to do things. Okay, we're waiting for things to happen here. Look, I'll get rid of this. Generally on a 15 minute chart, I want to see. Why can't I get rid of that? Generally on a 15 minute chart, I want to see price above the 50. I want to see price above the yellow Donchian channel. Okay, when that is happening, I also want to see RSI curling up, and also this thing down below, which is the OBV MACD indicator. When those three things are in tune, well, there's a trade. It's not right there yet, is it? Okay, but do you know what? If you go down to a 5 minute, maybe it's been there already. Not quite. Look, the moving average is just there. Okay, let's go to a 3 minute. Let's have a look. Still not quite there. Go down to a 1 minute. That's the lowest I can go. Bang! Check that out. So from way back here, you could have been picking off these longs. Okay? And you also... experience is everything. And so you want to also look at this. Well, the RSI has been creeping up. So is this thing. It's gone from way down here. It's way up here. We have just come from a massive sell-off. A massive buy, and now it's selling off. And I reckon the market wants to correct itself. That's it. That's experience. And so I'm going to take a punt, and I hate to use that word, but it's an educated guess. It's going to work 50% of the time that I'm going to take a trade. And where would I enter? Well, I'd be watching this. I've already taken, I think, 2 or 3 trades here. This particular one, I would have seen the RSI that's come under. This thing's red. It goes green. The RSI goes up and over. Price goes up over that. Bang. Are you still in the trade? Yeah, you could be. It got up there to 73. Why would you let it go down to 20 cents less? It's hitting highs, 68. Oh man, take the next one, get out. Be happy with that. That's 72 cents. Pack up for the night, crack a beer, and off you go. So that is how I look at things. And I'm going to say it again, the 1 minute chart is very dangerous, and I'm going to say that I'm not responsible for your losses, because you will incur losses if you don't know what you're doing. This is all experience here. This is 5 years of trading crude oil, and I still get it wrong. Okay, I do not get it right. I enter in stupid places where I think it's going to go up, it's going to go down, but having these indicators has really helped me solidify my crazy, stupid ideas. And I just hope to hell that when I enter, that the rest of the world is looking at the same indicators and thinking the same way. That is it. I don't think there's any other way that I can explain what I do. Do you know what? The retail traders, the investment banks and hedge funds and all the, whatever you want to call them, they know exactly what they're going to do because they're putting millions and trillions and billions of dollars into this market. Me, just one little guy in Vietnam with his one little micro contract or E-mini, hoping to make $200 a day. All I'm doing is just I'm on their heels, and I'm trying to figure out what they're doing. But the 1 minute the 1 minute time frame is all noise. It's just all noise. But maybe you can scalp. Check this here. Have a look here. What happened? Bang. There was 50 cents. Go again. There's another 30 cents. Not there. There, I did enter here, and I think I pulled 21 cents. And that was a stupid trade because it did go. I made money, but look at it. I really would like to enter when price is below this orange line, and then coming up. I want to see price below and coming up. I want to see the RSI below and coming up. Okay, do you get it? Do you dig it? And now the 15 minute, I won't trade anymore. I've done enough. I'm now, okay, here we go. We've got price above. On this 15 minutes, I would still be hesitant about taking trades. There's a possibility that it might just creep up, but at the same time, we've just had such a huge run up here with oil. I've seen this so many times, and then I've also seen it just go up like this forever. And I've also seen big bars just go whoosh, take everyone out. So they may come along, and everyone that's long here, they may come along and just wipe it out. They may, what have I done there? They may come along and take it out to about there, take all those stops out, because everyone's thinking the same thing. Well, it's gone up, and now they sold half of it at least. You know, maybe the market's going up. We're all thinking the same thing. That's how I can explain what I do. The best way is you need to just don't have a life. I don't have a life. I just have my head in the charts 24/7. I think about it, I dream about it. I can't wait to open up the charts at any point in time and try and work out this game. I'll never work it out, but using these indicators, experience has really helped me greatly. And yeah, it's the only advice I can offer you. It takes time to be a trader, and I still believe probably even after 100 years you'll still be searching for the Holy Grail. I don't think you'll ever find it, because we're dealing with other people, and other people have different thoughts and reactions to the way that you think and feel. So we're dealing with human emotion with these stupid bars and money, you know. While some people, I mean, it would make common sense. Let's all go together and make money by going long. But no, for every person that says it's going long, there's someone that says it's going short. So we're all just as fucked up as each other. It's so stupid. We could actually all be incredibly wealthy if we all just said for 1 week, all right, everyone in the world, let's go long. And next week we'll go short. It would be so easy. But it's not the way of humankind, is it? For every good there's evil, for every bad there's good. And the list can go on. Okay, good luck.